Welcome A3CA. The object of today's experiment is to find out the compressive strength of the cubes by non-destructive methods. So there are two methods. One is rebound hammer, another is Pandit. Pandit is based on ultrasonic pulses. So first we shall describe the rebound hammer. As you see, this is the rebound hammer. It works on the principle of rebound. Rebound means when you drop a marble on a steel floor, it will bounce a lot. If you drop it on a mud floor, it will not bounce. Or if you drop the same thing in a sandy soil, it will penetrate into. So rebound depends upon what two objects are in contact. So if harder materials are in contact, rebound will be high. Means strength is also high, elastic value is also high. This method will give you a rebound number, and corresponding to the rebound number, we shall get the compressive strength. So it will depend upon the position of the rebound hammer, whether the rebound hammer is being used horizontally, vertically, upward or vertically downward. This probe is there in which springs are fitted and full system is fitted, and here you read the values after stacking it against the surface. It has to be perpendicular to the surface, whether it is upside or horizontal or vertically downward. If it is horizontally, it will give different values for the same material. If it is vertical, it will give higher value of rebound number, and if it is downward like this, it will give lesser value, but the compressive strength will come out to be the same. So plots are different for horizontal position, vertical position and downward. This experiment will give you the value of compressive strength up to 2.5 centimeter depth only. It will not give values of the inner material which is away from or at a depth of 2.5 centimeter and more. So this is a superficial method. It will not give you accurate value of the core of the material. So better to this is Pandit. Pandit means portable, ultrasonic, non-destructive, digital indicating tester. This is the full form. So it is having ultrasonic waves in use. Ultrasonic means frequency of the waves is more than 20,000 cycles per second. So here the frequency is 54 kilohertz. Two transducers are there. One is producing ultrasounds, another is a receiver. So one will produce, another will receive. In between we shall put the material. And what is the length of this material? This is a test specimen. Its value should come out to be 26.3 microseconds. If it is coming, then your instrument is all right, and you can test the concrete specimen, whatever they are, whether they are cubes or they are beams or they are columns, whatever they are, you can find out what is the time of travel. At the same time, you can find out what is the velocity of travel. If the velocity of travel is of the order of 3 km per second, then your concrete is of poor grade. If it is in the range of 3 to 3.5 km per second, it is